Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to change the Deliveroo bank account. Begin by opening the Deliveroo website on your computer. This is where you can manage your account information. If you need to update your bank details, you will find the process here. This is important if you want Deliveroo to send your earnings to a new bank account. To update your bank details, you will need to fill out a form. This form asks for your full name, mobile number, email address associated with your Deliveroo Rider account, and your Rider ID. Click on the form link to access the bank details update form. Select yes if you want to update your bank details, then click OK to confirm. Enter your first and last name along with the email address linked to your Deliveroo account. You can find this email address in your Deliveroo Rider app under your name. Make sure to enter your Rider ID correctly, without any extra symbols before or after the ID. This is crucial for completing your request. Continue filling out the form and click submit when done. Within 48 hours, Deliveroo will send you an email with instructions to log into your Rider Hub and upload the required documents. A bank statement is necessary to prove that you own the bank account. For safety purposes, you may also be asked to confirm your address and upload a document for proof, such as a utility bill or ID card. Wait for Deliveroo's confirmation email from hello@rideremail.deliveroo.co.uk. This may take up to 3 working days, so be patient and check your spam folder too. Remember, you can only fill out this form once for each bank details update request. Wait for confirmation before submitting another request. Once you receive confirmation, your bank details will be updated, and Deliveroo will send your earnings to the new bank account. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.